Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are trying to play suspect mystery mention application and keep getting a network or internet connection error, don't worry, it is usually an easy fix. In this quick video, I will show you how you can fix this problem step by step using just your mobile phone. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So in the first method, you will have to try switching between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data because sometimes your current internet connection is not stable and that's why you face these types of problems. So you can just turn off your Wi-Fi and switch to the mobile data, or you can turn off your mobile data and try Wi-Fi instead. Then you need to just tap on the suspects option and you need to launch this application and see if everything is going smoothly, if it is working or not. In the second method, you just have to long press on the suspect application, then tap on this I option. Afterwards, you will be landed on this page where you need to tap on storage. In your storage, you will see the clear data option. So tap on clear data, then tap on clear cache and then press OK. So after clearing the cache of the suspects application, you just have to relaunch it and check if the error is still there or if it is fixed. If the issue still persists, I would highly recommend you to simply just go to Google Play Store or App Store and check for any update, and you can even uninstall the application and reinstall it from here as well. With the help of these few methods, you are definitely gonna fix this issue. So if this video helped you out, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel and drop a comment. Thanks for watching.